Selvin Khan is a top Melbourne accountant who I've been working with for over 30 years, and some of his clients include top 100 companies in Australia with over $1 billion in yearly sales. Selvin was expressing to me the frustration he feels with his clients who don't invest in real estate, even though, as he demonstrates on this video, real estate is the safest and most profitable investment if you want to become a millionaire in the next 10 years and really grow your wealth. So let's have a look at how this conversation went and what we can learn from that.
For $1 million.
Yep.
Right? And let's just say, just to make the maths easy, let's just say you put $200,000 deposit. Yeah?
Yeah.
In 10 years' time, I can guarantee you the property's going to be worth double.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, right? It's going to be worth double.
Yeah.
It's 2 million, yeah?
Yep.
So 2 million and bought it for 1 million. The increase over 10 years is $1 million, yeah?
Yep.
Divide that by 10 years is $100,000 per year, yeah?
Yep. Yep.
And the rental income and the depreciation and the interest and the council rates plus the tax benefit all sort of works out. It all comes to roughly the same.
We're not talking about positive cash flow. It's just even, right? Even.
Yeah, just even, right? But you make $100,000 a year, yeah?
Yep.
You invested $200,000 at the beginning.
Yes.
Right? 50% per annum per year compared to what they're doing now.
Yeah, if they're lucky, yeah, that's right. That's what it doesn't.
If they're lucky, that could be 6%.
Or even negative if it's in shares or something like that.
Could be negative.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, guys, let me be half wrong.
Yeah.
Let me be half wrong. You're only going to do 25% per annum.
Yeah.
I say to them, if you can find me another investment that's going to do that, you need to tell me, because I'm telling you, for me, this has worked. And for the Valuer General of Victoria, I don't know Queens, but for Victoria, this has worked for the last 80 years.
Yeah.
And that's what I do with them, Peter. And you know what? 9 out of 10 of them walk out, do nothing.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then 6-10 years from then, they're saying, I'm broke. I can't go on a holiday. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at what you've just proved with your partner. Look what you've just proved. Okay, it's an unusual time. I get it, right? I get it. It's an unusual time. But over a 10-year period, but you know, the market is terrible now. You can't sell it. I say, whatever it is, if you bought in 1994 at the height of the market, or if you bought in 2006 before the GFC and it crashed the next year, within 10 years, you're still going to double your money.
Yeah, it still goes up.
But these guys don't get it, eh? Anyway.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you, I do that, and they still, half of them go out and do nothing. And now, because of the land tax in Victoria, the guys are all selling, Pete. They're all selling. And I say, guys, don't be so stupid. It's temporarily, even with the land tax, if you take the tax deduction, the tax benefit, the land tax only half. Don't sell, because in 10 years' time, you're going to turn around and you're going to say, what an idiot.
Yep. That's good.
But you show them that, Pete. You show them that. And
yeah.
I don't know.
I know. And the same thing goes for interest. Why would you keep your money in the bank at 5%? It's even worse, right?
Yeah. If you put 5% at the top. Yeah. And you say, guys, can you look how much you're losing? Because if inflation's 3%, you're only getting 2%. You're getting nothing.
Yeah. That's really good, Selvin. That's really
good. All right,
good.
Mr. Sun, I'll talk to you soon. You look after yourself.